Today I'm going to show you how to put on a silicone mermaid tail that is silicone on the inside. There's no neoprene, it's just silicone with a monofin. Mine is a Mermaid tail. But before I show you how to do it, I want to show you what you need. You will need 2 rags. Everything will be linked in the description for you, so you can go down there and shop. Those will be affiliate links, but they don't cost you anything extra, and it helps support my channel, and it also gets you exactly what I have here. You also need some Astroglide water-based lube. This can be expensive, so I do like to go with something else to go along with it. I'll tell you about that in a second, but before I say that, make sure you do not try to go with a cheaper version of Astroglide. It does use different ingredients, and I'm not sure if they're safe for your tail or not. But I know Astroglide's water-based lube is. So I use these both when I do gigs. I use Astroglide, and the other thing I do is once I empty a container of Astroglide, I will put about 1/4 of the container will be full of a conditioner that I use. I use a very natural conditioner because I don't want to pollute the lake. And then I will use warm water to dissolve that, and you shake it up, and that works great as a lube. It's safe for your tail. I'll include the exact one I use below. And then you will also need, yes, it's snowing, we're going to go swimming. And you will also need some neoprene socks. And mine are from Seavenger. They have these grips on the bottom, really awesome stuff. Now we're going to cut over to a video of me getting dressed, and I'll have a voiceover for you since I will be freezing while I'm getting changed today. Yay. Welcome to the voiceover section of this video. I'm about to put on my silicone mermaid tail, and I'm going to show you how I put my tail on. I'm about to take off my pants too, which means this video is going to get really awkward. It may look like I'm not wearing anything at certain points throughout the video, but I promise you I am. The reason I'm creating this tutorial is because there are many great videos showing how to put on a silicone mermaid tail, but I think I found the perfect formula, and I really want to share it with you. So first, take off your pants, and we are going to put on our neoprene socks. I also like to wear my winter jacket because it keeps me warm on 42-degree days when it's icing on me. So once you slide your feet partially into your tail, take your shampoo and water mix and soak your neoprene socks with it. Now take that same mixture and rub it all the way up your legs to your knees. Once you get to the knees, stop. You can put it on top of the knees themselves, but don't go past the knees. Take your 2 dish rags, pull your tail up some, and slide your legs into the end of your tail. And 1 foot at a time, put your feet into the foot pockets of your monofin. Now pull the tail up your legs as much as you can, wiggle your feet into the foot pockets as much as you can, and then go in there and put the straps on the back of your heels. Make sure your heel straps are adjusted tightly. This should be pretty tight, so you don't want to fall out, although falling out does happen quite often. Take your rags again and slide your tail up your legs some more, and use those rags to get a grip and really force your feet into your monofin. My dog is barking, I apologize. Now pull your tail up to your knees as well as you can. And then we are going to go on to the next step of grabbing your Astroglide water-based lubricant, the really awkward fun part, and we are going to put that on our thighs. We are also going to put it on our butt, our underwear, and a little bit on our lower back and our lower belly. This stuff dries when you put it on, so it makes your tail stick to you more, which helps to reduce the slippage, because if you have a big butt, you will know that your tail does not like to stay over your big butt sometimes. So just pull your tail up after that, be very gentle with it, and then take your rags and use them to get a grip and to help roll the silicone up your body and kind of smooth out all of the wrinkles. This usually takes me a little bit longer than it did in this video, but I was very cold and determined to get dressed fast. Make sure that you really try to get all the wrinkles out and push the tail as far up onto your body as you can. And once you get it to where you want it and it feels like it fits well, take your rags, open up your tail a little bit, slide your rags down and wipe off any excess lubricant. Once you have done that and you feel like you're in your tail really, really well, congratulations, you are done with your transformation and you have now put on your silicone mermaid tail. Feel free to leave tips and suggestions that you have in the comments section, and please feel free to share this video with other mermaids and mermen in the community. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck on all of your mermaiding adventures and have a very magical day. And that is how you put on a silicone mermaid tail.